self management skill. In this we will learn how to manage ourselves so that we can look more presentable and our things can be considered more seriously by the people who are around us. It will help us in doing our job role as a dietitian or in any of the firm in the best possible way. First of all, strength and weakness analysis. We should know what is our strength and what is our weakness. We can just use our strength to gain our goal, and while we can work over our weakness so that our weakness can be eradicated. First of all, there are certain terms which we should know. What are the beliefs, values? Beliefs means, suppose I trust over the few things, or I believe or have a fixed thought over certain things. That is the belief. Like few people say we believe in friendship. Friends are our life, or they believe in superstition, like the cat has crossed the path, then it would be a bad omen. Such kind of things are their values. So here are the certain principles or the standard of behavior. Like few people cannot compromise with the cheating or doing any of the wrong deed with the others, while we can see most of the people are compromising their values just to gain profit or to just to gain name, fame. All these things are there. So these are the part of values. After that, our like and dislikes can fluctuate. Like if in terms of subject we can say someone likes bio while other like English, or different subjects are there. So that involves the like which someone admires to do or admires to follow, and in dislike they generally are reluctant to these things and they don't want to those things. Opinion, we all have different set of brain. According to that we follow certain different set of thought process. That's our opinion. Like we can say we like this particular playing team and we like that just as per our emotions, as per our attachment to the different things. Our opinion can fluctuate. For that self management skill, then other word which you should know about, that is the background. It might be possible we are from the poor background, rich background, educated background, uneducated background. That also affects or impacts our behavior in the society or in the way of our self management. The next one or the last one is here, identity. It is a set of behavioral or personal characteristic by which an individual is recognizable as a member of group. If you are in a group, how do they recognize you? That is your identity. Like in school you say that is our English teacher, that is our Hindi teacher. So all these things are identity. So for that, before knowing to that, we should know yourself. That means while doing the self management we should know ourselves. So know yourself. If you would be knowing yourself better, in that case you can work in the more better way for your self management skill, and the self management skill will surely help you in achieving your goal in the step by step process, plus in dealing with the clients or the patients in the more best possible way. Strength and weakness analysis, this we can do on our own. Make a chart of those things which are being appreciated by others or your family members, or you own yourself like your those things. Yes, I am very much good in these things. Then go for the weakness analysis, the things which are being accused by any of the member at your home or any of your friends, or by your own self. You just like you will say ki I wake up late in the morning, that could be the weakness. Or I do not keep the things tidy, that could be the weakness. Strength, like you are extremely energetic, you are extremely keen to do the certain tasks which are good for your best future. These are things are there. Now how can we achieve this? So here are certain points. Like by understanding ourselves we can do that. Based on that information, now we can do improvement on ourselves. टेक्निक्स फॉर आइडेंटिफाइंग योर स्ट्रेंथ एंड वीकनेस. कैसे आप पता कर सकते हो दैट दीज आर योर स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट्स एंड दीज आर योर वीक पॉइंट्स. सो हियर इट इज गिवन certain points which you can follow. Think, just take a time off to think about what do you well. जो आप बहुत अच्छे से करते हो उसको समझने के लिए टाइम निकालिए. थिंक ऑफ एनीथिंग दैट यू आर ऑलवेज गुड एट. कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ है जिसको आपने हमेशा अच्छे तरीके से की है. देन थिंक ऑफ व्हाट अदर्स अप्रिशिएट अबाउट यू, ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ें जिसकी बाकी लोग तारीफ़ करते हैं. वीकनेस, पॉइंट आउट द एरियाज वेयर यू स्ट्रगल एंड व्हाट यू फाइंड डिफिकल्ट टू डू, कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जिसको करने में आपको डिफ़िकल्टी होती है. लुक एट द फीडबैक यू रिसीव अबाउट योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम अदर्स, आपको जो फीडबैक मिलता है दूसरों से उसको फॉलो करके देखिए. बट हेयर यू हैव टू बी इंटेलिजेंट इनफ दैट दिस फीडबैक शुड बी ऑफ दोज पीपल हु आर योर वेल विशर्स डिस्पाइट ऑफ इल विशर्स. बी ओपन टू फीडबैक एंड एक्सेप्ट योर वीकनेस, जो भी फीडबैक आ रहा है उसको ओपन माइंडेडली जस्ट एक्सेप्ट, उसको एनालाइज करिए पहले कि फीडबैक इज़ ट्रू और रॉन्ग. देन एनालाइज इट एंड देन follow it in your life to just eradicate that weakness. If it is genuine, if it is not genuine, then you have to ignore